One of the key functions of the Minbar Live application is bridging the communication gap between the Imam and the congregation during sermons and lectures. Within the application, there is a HutbaLive module for that, which allows you to, in real life, create a real-time transcription of what I have spoken and translates it into any language. Starting this session is very simple. Go to Quick Action and enter the name. Choose how you want. Do you want to capture sound? You can then choose a single or mixed module, which means that if you choose individual, only the translation and transcription of that language are captured, and mixed allows you to capture Arabic and then automatically switch to the local language when the Imam starts speaking in his own language. Additionally, you can customize the context for translation to make the translation as good as possible. Simply use ready-made AI prompts, or you can write your own prompt and it will be automatically used for the best possible translation. Also, if necessary, if you have some Quran sessions, such as a competition in Quran, or for example, you can include Quran mode in Mukanele, which enables the program to automatically recognize which part of the Quran is being taught and that it correctly displays that part in the original and in translation, with 43 languages currently available, i.e. Language translations from official websites, i.e. official translations. After you start a session, of course, congregation members can join, but before that, I would like just one more thing. To show, therefore, that Minbar Live offers the possibility of a community page, a page on which you can see the prayers, the recitation of the Quran for further detailed information, and a collection of various other archive sermons. When a session starts, this specific page will automatically refresh and change. So now a QR code will start appearing here that people can scan. Please attach a translation of this sermon. And when the speech starts, the transcript of that speech will start showing here. We will now begin this instructional session today. We have accelerated the footage slightly in this section. This video is intended solely to provide a much faster and more convenient viewing experience of this whole thing. But it is important to remember that in real time, the process takes much longer. In fact, the audience now follows what the Imam is saying and can switch. As you can clearly see here, to translate into any language, or to watch on mobile devices and so on, it is possible to obtain an archive related to that session. So this page will be switched here, of course, to the old one, community page. You can generate a transcript of this sermon in any language you want. I will now, for example, put English. This takes a few seconds, approximately 15 to 20, depending on the length of the text itself. Of course, you can do more. Once that transcript is created, you can download it in text format, in a document or HTML page. And then a short description will be made here explaining what the keywords are about. And the text of the transcript itself, which is further refined to correct potential translation errors. You can, of course, publish it later on your website on pages or simply print it.